Tired of the hassle during traveling? The Paiseec Mobility Scooter S3 makes your journey more worry-free. It's super powerful with the 250-watt motor, easily handles off-road and uphill terrains. The S3 offers 3 speeds, reaching up to 6.2 miles per hour, adaptable to different areas and needs. It can easily pass through sidewalks, curbstones, concrete, grass, bumpy roads, and uphill paths. Let's take a closer look. No need to assemble, it's ready to use right out of the box. It comes with a large basket, headlight, and horn to fit your daily needs. The adjustable armrests, shock-absorbing tires, the large screen and control lever, all together improve your riding experience. Even on long journeys, the comfortable seat will keep you relaxed. Easily crossing obstacles and going downhill, the scooter is perfect for outdoor driving. Paiseec, you deserve to have it.